Morton Jones Limited offers top-quality commercial fencing and groundworks by expert engineers. Based in Wrexham, we serve customers across North and Mid Wales, Shropshire, Cheshire, Wirral and Merseyside. We have over 35 years of experience in the industry. Through tender, we directly supply to nationally known utility companies, local councils and businesses. Our groundwork services include site excavations, drainage works, block paving, concrete paths and driveways, and site clearances. The experts at Morton Jones are the preferred choice for groundworks and ground maintenance in Wrexham and the surrounding locations. We offer our services for established as well as new sites. No matter what groundwork services you need, we have the right equipment and expertise to help you. So, for more information, get in touch with our friendly team today.